Hello to my friends back in upstate New York, as well as those around America and those around the world. I'm Larry Cohen, and I'm here in Washington, D.C. during, yes, cherry blossom time, which varies from year to year, but today is April 12th, and the year is 2018. And it's sadness in my heart. Why? Because there's tourists. You see these buses behind me. These buses, people come from all over the world to see this lovely area this time of year. And who do we have sitting in the White House about a 10-minute walk from here? Donald Trump. Donald Trump. Can you imagine that? And he's been, I did these videos a year ago. I did videos 2 years ago about this guy. I said we're going to be in trouble. We are going to be in trouble if this guy gets into office. He's in office, and what do we see? Trouble. He is mayhem. He is trouble. And there's no getting away from it. You can lie all you want. But people can cover for him. They can make up lies to cover. You have these fake, talk about fake news. I'm not fake. This is real. Here, I'm real. And this is, and I have no, there's no agenda here. The agenda is reality, truth. And the truth is this guy, he's completely immoral. We knew that from the start. He's and he's under, they said Clinton would be under investigation. This guy's under double investigation and triple investigation. His people had come and go. I said they would come and go. He gets rid of them like flies. He has no friends. He just has chosen associates. I've talked about this many times before in previous videos. It just makes me angry to be here in the capital of our nation, in Washington, D.C., and to think that a man like Donald Trump inhabits the White House and has command of our military. Our military. This man. So, should he be removed from office? I hope. Don't get excited when it happens. The problem is going to be, I was waiting for these, but there's a lot of tour buses and school buses. I'm just waiting for the day when he exits and the helicopter ride that takes him out of here. Because I've had enough. We've all had enough. I don't know what these people think. I feel bad for the people the foreigners that come here. They come here to see the city. They don't come here to see Donald Trump. Believe me, they don't. So thank you very much for watching. And I want to say a special hello to Brett, Peter, Michael, Stephanie, Chuck, and the rest of the gang. Thank you very much.